our distinguished students and their distinguished parents, there are endless reasons why you should choose this nest of science, this lifelong education center which grows stronger and stronger by the day. Choose University of Metris, because it is the ultimate getaway from the din and commotion of daily life. Here you will be far, far away from anything that could possibly disturb your concentration. What's more, we provide a pristinely healthy environment, so strictly regimented that even your sleeping pattern is scheduled. Choose Metris, because our obligatory boarding system will liberate you from such mundane concerns as having to pay rent or await your turn for a room at the dormitory. Choose Metris, because our academic staff grows by the day. Our efforts to expand our staff by adding more than 2,000 academics both from Turkey and abroad continue full speed ahead. Choose Metris, because owing to the current penal system, now valid countrywide, you will have the opportunity to take classes at a variety of campuses. Moreover, unlike other universities, which provide such opportunities for a mere 1 or 2 semesters, at University of Metris you can take advantage of this opportunity for 3, maybe 4, or even 11 years. Choose Metris, because we provide a private shuttle just for you. Choose Metris, because we offer a wide range of physical activities, everything from pacing back and forth to brainstorming. Choose Metris, because we offer education to our male and female students in separate buildings, completely isolating them from one another and thereby ensuring top-notch security during their tutelage. That's right, choose Metris, because we are also here to protect your chastity. Choose Metris, because we provide exchange programs that no other university can offer. While other universities send their students abroad for exchange programs, University of Metris, ever the pioneer, sends away academics instead, though accompanied by guards of course, lest any trouble come their way.